Welcome to Math with Miss Stacy. In this video, we will discuss how to add integers. Remember, integers are positive, negative, and 0. So I'm going to show you how to add integers, but these same principles apply for mixed numerals and decimal numbers also. Okay, we have experience adding positive numbers together, and then you keep the positive sign, which in math is no sign. A number is assumed positive if it has no sign in front of it. But the negative numbers have the negative sign in front of them. So if the signs are the same, you're going to add and keep the sign. If the signs are different, meaning you have one positive and one negative number, we're going to subtract the numbers and keep the sign of the number with the greatest absolute value. Absolute value, again, is the distance from 0. Okay, let's put these into practice. So if the signs are the same, the first two examples, the signs are the same. We have -5 plus -7. 5 plus 7 is 12, and we're going to keep the negative sign, -12. Next example, -2 plus -4. They're both negatives. So we're going to add the values 2 plus 4 and keep the negative sign. It's -6. Okay, in the next line, we have one positive and one negative in each of these examples. We have 15 plus -3. So we're going to subtract the values. 15 minus 3 is 12. And the larger number is 15. 15 is further from 0 than -3 is. So we'll keep the positive sign because the larger uh, absolute value is 15, and that's the positive number. So this is going to be positive 12. You can put the positive sign in front of that number if you'd like to, or if you leave it out, it's assumed to be positive. Okay, next we have -11 plus 7. So we're going to subtract, take the larger magnitude number, which means distance from 0. The 11 minus 7 is 4. Now, the -11 has the greater absolute value. It is farther from 0 than the 7 is. So the answer will be -4. And lastly, on the examples, is 8 plus -9. Okay, we have one positive, one negative. The -9 is farther from 0 than 8 is. So we know our answer is going to be negative. And 9 minus 8 is 1. So 8 plus -9 equals -1. So remember, if the signs are the same and we're adding, you're going to add and keep the sign. If the signs are different when we're adding, subtract the smaller absolute value number from the greater absolute value number and keep the sign of the number that has the greatest absolute value or the greatest magnitude, which means the distance from 0. Okay, it's time for our affirmations. Say them with me. I can learn math. I can learn anything. Have a great day.